it's Neil and welcome to my printing area here. And for today what I've got to review are these new slipper, shoe, sneaker things. So we're gonna try these things out. They're like super lightweight and supposedly super comfortable. So let's try them out. If I can figure out how to open it. I can. Little clip is not working. Let's see, this is what they look like here. They are by Itazero, I-T-A-0, you can see right there. That's what they look like. I have size 9, and so you can check these out. They're kind of like fabric-y kind of stuff and stretchable, and they got the laces there. So let's try these on and see how they fit. I'll try on my left shoe so you don't have to see where I cut myself. Let's see, make sure there's no papers or anything in there. Oh, looking in the bottom here, it's got like some kind of cork that's, I don't know, it's really, it's got like ridges and bumps in it, kind of cool. It's a little massages is going, and it fits on there pretty good. And I could tie it here. I don't know how to tie it if it's got stretchy. These are stretchy laces. You can see these are stretchy laces, so maybe they don't tie, maybe they're just like slippers, probably just slippers. But that's it, so they go on like that. Try the other one on here. And I'll try to walk in them. Turn you guys around here so you can watch me walk. They're comfortable, they got a lot of cushion to them. Pretty cool. I like them. Actually, I think I might wear them today. I have a political walk thing I'm doing, going and knocking some doors and stuff. Might give these things a try to wear it during it because they're so comfortable. Pretty cool, and they seem pretty breathable too, and stretchy all over, so I like them. I'm gonna give them a thumbs up. I'll let you know how it goes at the end of my walk today, but otherwise I think they're pretty good. Might have gotten the size a little too big. My feet are a little bit big in here, but I guess the stretchy part will keep them in. So I like it, thumbs up. I'll put a link to them in the description. Be sure to pick one of these up. Like these, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and it's Itazero. Just go ahead and pick these up. Thanks, bye.